Bro, this looks good too. Ate that. You're in the vacuum of space and ooh! Psych. Let's go, Saitama. What is good, everybody? It is your boy Reggie Wolf, and Red Hair Guy is back on this Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful for it. And he is back with Serious Knees, One Punch Man 168 fan animation. Now, look, if this is y'all first time seeing Red Hair Guy's videos, and y'all enjoy it, I need y'all to hit them with a serious goodness. All right, that's a serious like, a serious subscribe, a serious share, and a serious comment. Ball it up. If you got anything else, seriously lock it in and hit them with the serious goodness punch. All right, just one time. And look, if y'all enjoy my reaction, do the same for your boy. I know I just said serious a lot. Serious, serious, serious. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. Okay. Bruh, I know that this is older now, but still, ooh. This is why I like just the animation itself. Yeah, this is when Saitama started piecing him up. To the gut. Duck that. Ooh, serious karate chop to the back of the head. He was brutalizing, bullying Garou. Talking his shit at this point. Saitama was on a different type of energy in this fight. The one punch thing too? Okay. Ooh. Run that back. Hold up. Weave and hit him with it. I don't get it. What you mean? Yeah. Just knocking you around. Ooh, he got you doing the flips, bro. Yeah. No, you can't keep up, bro. This man getting exponentially stronger. Bro, this looks good too. Ate that. On your head, bruh. I'm surprised he ain't knocked your head off your shoulders. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's continue in the grow. Yes, sir. This is the strongest Saitama we've ever seen, bro. Understand, bro, he is approaching infinity of like strength at at this curve. At that curve, if he going up like that, bro, he could, like, I know everyone's like Saitama versus Goku. With that kind of growth, he could surpass Goku very quickly. Yeah. Left completely behind. You're in the vacuum of space and ooh! Psych. Let's go, Saitama. He caught that thing like it was nothing. No longer anybody left. Yep. And again, the thing that blew my mind about this whole chapter and like this whole fight was, at first you was like, oh, Saitama and Garou going blow for blow. This is amazing. And then Garou turned into like Deep Sea King for Saitama. Someone who was completely irrelevant of like an opponent. Like, that's how crazy it got. Like, he almost killed you with a whole sneeze. This man blew the atmosphere off of Jupiter. Like, come on. Red hair guy, you. Look, for me, bruh, it's always a good day when red hair guy uploads, bro. When he drops an animation, it's a good day. It's a better day. I could be on 10, it's an 11, bro. And it's because he drops dope one. It's like 5 animators that I know I'm having, like, I could have a terrible day and they drop, and I like their animation style so much, and also see progress in their styles as time goes along, bro. And red hair guy is one of them. Y'all, I think y'all know who all of them are by now. But I might make a video on my my top 10 creators, bro. I might do that video soon. And I want y'all to know, y'all, whoever sees this, y'all gonna be the first to know. I'm doing a best of the year, like best of 2022 for my reactions, where I get some of my top moments. So if y'all see this, y'all watching this, and y'all got some moments, drop them in the comments. Now, I'm gonna end it here, bro. Like I told y'all, I need a serious goodness punch straight to Red Hair Guy's channel. All right, likes, comments, subscribe, share. All that got to be serious. Got to lock it in seriously. You got to throw it seriously to the channel. And look, if y'all enjoyed my reaction, do the same for your boy. This has been your boy Reggie Wolf, and I'm seriously out. Peace.